Today we will see Ram 1500 pickup truck manufacturing plant at Sterling Heights, Michigan, US. The manufacturing begins in the body shop, where robots assemble various body parts. Then robots weld the trolley rear panel, rear and front lower bedside with the trolley. Now the body is inspected and sent through a conveyor, then lifted to the painting stage. After that, the trolley is sent to the next process. The body is cleaned by a high-pressure shower before painting. Now the body is dipped into the primer. The primer provides a stable surface, so the paint layer easily adheres with the body. After that, the trolley's painting is checked by experts and sent to the next process. The robots paint the body with sealing paints, which provide a long-lasting and waterproof body. After that, the trolley and body are painted with filler coating color by robots and sent to the next station. The assembly starts by mounting the transmission to the engine using a lifting device. Then the robot feeds chassis on an automatic guided vehicle and moves it to the next assembly station. Now, the engine and transmission are attached to the chassis using a lifting device. The body is rotated for assembling various parts and sent to the next station. Then the dashboard is installed in the body. After that, the company logo is installed on the trolley tailgate, then sent to the next stage. Now the body is attached with the chassis on a conveyor by the lifting robot. The tires are attached to the car. Next, the pickup truck is sent for cleaning by the high-pressure shower. Finally, the Ram 1500 pickup truck is ready to deliver.